Training means to teach a particular skill or type of behavior through practice, instruction, this is out of the dictionary, over time. Most salespeople have less training than a bartender got to flip a martini. You got more training on driving a car than you do driving your revenue. You have 2 kids in college you send to these colleges for 4 years. You spend 60 grand a year and nothing on your people. I'm talking to a guy recently, he's like, hey, what's it cost for your company to do everything you do? I said, it costs about 80 grand a year for your company. That's ridiculous. Okay. One's a 6-year-old kid. He pays $30,000 a year for a 6-year-old to go to school, to be babysat. He's got 2 other kids in college right now. He's spending $60,000 to $80,000 for each kid. I said, how much will your 3 kids ever affect your top line of your company? Not one bit. So look, if you're going to drive that revenue line, how many believe this? You have to teach people how to do it. They didn't learn it in high school. They didn't learn it in college. Their parents didn't teach them how to do it. If you want to teach them, you got to train them, okay? Derivation of training. The word training comes from the early verb sense. It came from the word a plant, to grow in a desired shape. To train something, you would shape it, was the basis of the sense educate, instruct, teach, train. So you want to train. I want to create a culture, cult-like, where people think a certain way. I actually want to brainwash people in my environment of the shit they've been listening to. Because they've been pounded. How many got people around you been pounded with nonsense? Go slow, take it easy, be careful, play it safe, don't take a chance. You need to wash their brain, you need to scrub it. How many of you in the room, you would benefit from a scrubbing?